What's up guys, Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to show you how to install our e-brake boot. This is in a 22 WRX. This is very similar for all the other Subaru generations. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and just grab the boot down here and just start to lift up on it. And it's essentially just a few clips here holding it into the center console. Then we'll just pull it up over the e-brake handle. So now we can get into the shop to remove the e-brake boot and then install our Alcantara one. The factory boot, all you'll need to do is just start grabbing at the fabric and just pulling it off, and then just kind of work your way around. I wouldn't just try and start from one end and just yank it the whole thing. So once we have the factory shift boot removed from the trim, I'm going to go ahead and start mounting the Alcantara boot. I'm going to utilize these binder clips here. You can use clothespins or you can just do without them. I think the binder clips make it a lot easier. So I'm going to lay the boot flat and then you'll be able to see I'm going to just start wrapping it around and utilize the binder clips here just to hold it in place. So once we have a handful of binder clips on, I'm just going to make sure that everything kind of looks like it's sitting well. The factory boot, when you tore it off, you'll notice that it was glued the entire way around here. So here I'm using just a basic contact cement. This brand is DAP Weldwood. Any kind of similar basic contact cement will work just fine. And since that's a nice flat surface, I'm just going to go ahead and put some pressure on there just so it holds it. I'm just going to work my way around this tab. But so far, I mean, we're just about done. So once I pull these binder clips off, we can go ahead and throw it back in the car. Now that the glue is dry, let's go ahead and reinstall it back into the car. Super easy install of our e-brake boot here in this 22 WRX. We have our matching shift boot here to go with the e-brake boot. You can check out our other products like e-brake handles, buttons, other accessories. So we'll see you next time.